Artoonza.
In today's fun and easy tutorial, we're going to draw a Bitcoin using just a pin and string. Or, as I like to call it, our future treasure. Because who knows? Maybe one day it'll turn into real Bitcoin. Using a pin, a string, and maybe a snack. Let's draw the big circle.
Wow!
Let's add the Bitcoin B style in the middle. Ready to start creating your Bitcoin masterpiece? Let's have a lot of fun together. Now let's draw the smaller circle inside. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Give us a big thumbs up. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Orange.
Aw, so cute.
Don't be shy, color high. Color. Give us your like. Whee! Orange. Snowy white. Yellow. This is so amazing. Mix it up. Yellow and white again. Mix it up. Color.
Aw, so cute.
Black. This is much better. Actually, it's great. Glitter time. Let's make it shine. Hit that like button now.
Wow!
Aw, so cute.
A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.